guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new, what's goody in a hoodie? It's your girl ArieNickole. So for today's video, I'm actually doing a requested video. Somebody commented on my last video, which was a get ready with me for the first day of school. If you have not seen it, I will link it down in the description box below. So after this video, go ahead and check it out for me. But anyway, somebody requested that, you know, they wanted to see how I got my hair the way I got it for the first day of school, which was basically a regular braid out. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Also, I did do a sew-in, so I will put in a clip somewhere on the screen of like how the bundles first looked. I won't be giving you guys too many details of the hair in this video. That will be for another video. So yeah, with that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, guys, so I swear to you, this is like the easiest thing ever you could do. There's 2 things you need, 3 things at most. It really just depends on you and your preference. The first thing you are going to need is gel. Now, I got this for like $5, local beauty supply store. Now, it has been like some bad things about Eco, but they cleared it up saying that it's not the type of product that creates cancer and all that stuff. So if you do not feel comfortable using Eco, whatever gel works for you, just something with a great hold. You know, especially if you live in a humid climate area, you know, you're gonna want something with a great hold so your hair doesn't get poofy throughout the day. Second thing you're going to need is water. I'm not using water for this video. We'll get into that later. But if you want to use water, you can. That will be the second thing you need. So it is optional. The third thing you need is a brush. Powder brush, denim brush, it does not matter. A comb, whatever you prefer, you know. Pick white so you don't want to be ripping out your hair. But yeah, that's what you're going to need. Okay, y'all, so I took my hair out those twist things, so now I'm going to just split my hair in half and then get a piece from the back. I have leave out in the back as well, so don't do what I just did and like rip the hair apart, because that's not okay. But yeah, go ahead and get you a little hair tie, whatever you prefer, a little clip with some and get it out the way. Now, let me tell y'all why I'm not using water. I want my hair to dry super fast. I'm doing my hair late at night because I took the longest nap ever. And if you use water and gel, it's just gonna be more wet than you expected it. The first ingredient in here is water, so your hair is, you know, it's gonna be damp enough just with the gel alone. So I'm just using the gel, but like I said, you can use water and the gel. So I'm just taking like a good old amount. I'm gonna need more than this. I'm gonna start from the bottom, work my way up to the top. Now I'm going to grab the brush from the bottom, work my way to the top. Now I'm going to just start braiding, and it's literally as simple as that. So now I'm just going to repeat it. Yeah, y'all see how good this hair like blends with my real hair? This is my real hair. My real hair has like the color to it. Like, this hair is really good. I'm gonna have to do a review on this, period.
So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Oh God. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to finish the other side of my head, and then I'll come back on camera and show you guys how I wrap it up and do all that good jazz. So. Okay, y'all, so I just finished. I have a total of 8 braids, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 8 braids. So 4 on each side, and yeah, super easy, super quick. I think I spent like 15-20 minutes doing it. So yeah, now what I do at night is I get this bonnet that I got from Walmart. I used to, you can do this if you want to, put a scarf on, then put this on, but I don't want my hair to be too flat tomorrow. I want some volume on the top of my head tomorrow, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, I'm just going to put it up. Okay, tip, before you put on your bonnet, if you, or however you wrap up your hair, if you use water, I suggest letting it air dry for a bit before you put something on top, because you're kind of like suffocating it. So you want to let it get as much air as it can before you put like your bonnet or wrap it up or anything like that. But I'm done for tonight, so I will see you guys in the morning when I wake up for school to take it out. Peace. Hey guys, okay, so I didn't get to film an outro for this video because I had to go to school, but if you couldn't see it that well, this is how it looks after like the whole day. I don't have that much volume on the first day, but by tomorrow I will. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I also want to thank everybody for showing me so much love on my last video. I gained more than 200 subscribers, and I got more than like 2K views. Like, I didn't even think I would get past 1K, to be honest with you guys. So I just want to thank you guys so much for the love and support again. I really appreciate it, and there will be more videos coming soon. If you want to see certain videos from me, just go ahead and request it in the comment box below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Like I said, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more of me, go ahead and follow my Instagram and go add me on Snapchat. So yeah, bye guys.